person to get paid when you own a business? Right, because you only get paid if what? If there's profit. Well, that's fucking risky. Because as an employee, that isn't the case. Did you know that even if a business files bankruptcy, they can't write off their debt to their employees? They have to pay them. So I guess that's risk, which is why it makes me laugh when people get angry at business owners.
Ito yung hindi madalas nalalaman ng Pilipino from the business owner's perspective. Yung pag-take ng risk na kung saan kailangan nilang saluhin yung mga possible damages, possible pagkalugi, while yung empleyado can simply just move on with the next employer and perform another job. Ngayon sa Pinoy Extreme, pag-uusapan natin yung mga misconception when it comes sa business. This is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this.
This is Pinoy Extreme.
Like, I don't see you signing up to fucking go take that risk. Well, he's worth billions of dollars, yeah, because he worked his ass off for the last 20 years. I didn't see you taking that risk.
O, diba? Most of us can only see yung mga, billion yung mga kita niyang mga yun eh. Pero we never see yung pinagdaanan ng business owner na yun para umabot doon sa bilyong kita na tinatamasa nila ngayon. The sleepless nights, the overtimes, the risk, the sacrifices, the failures, yun yung mga bagay na hindi nakikita ng ordinaryong empleyado na hindi naman kailangang mag-take or magsakripisyo ng ganung kalaki. But most of the time kasi, ang nakikita na natin is yung success nila. And most of us get jealous doon sa owners without even realizing kung ano yung binigay nilang kapalit.
Same dudes that were laughing at Jeff Bezos while he was trying to build Amazon are the ones that are yelling at him now because it's not fair how wealthy he is. You know how many people are unwilling to work on performance? Fucking wild to me. Why? Should we just, yes, get paid to show up and grace us with your presence?
Showing up with the work is usually just the basic requirements. Iba pa yung mag-excel ka doon sa mismong trabaho mo and contribute to a different level by figuring things out or solving problems or existing problems doon sa business nyo, doon sa line of work nyo, doon sa field nyo. And if we keep on doing that, if we keep on helping solving problem doon sa kumpanya nyo, the likelihood of you being promoted because of that kind of characteristics, being a problem solver, is going to be high. Because most, or sabi nga ni Elon Musk, we are being paid in proportion to the problems that we solve doon sa company. Because doon sa mga problemang nasusolve natin, naka-tied up yung value na nakikreate natin para sa company. O diba? The beauty of that is you are always free to climb the ladder, but of course, with the price. May kapalit. Kailangan mong magtrabaho ng maigi and ipakita mo yung value mo doon sa company nyo by solving problems that are presented to you. Diba? Hindi ka pwedeng magpataas or magdemand ng mataas na sweldo kung hindi ka makapag-present ng mga skills or value doon sa pinagtatrabahuan mo. I mean, good job if you keep on showing for your job every day, but that is just enough to pay you currently for what you are doing right now.
This is the world we're fucking living right now. Yes, you have graced us with your presence. You should be paid. For fucking what?
Kaya matatawa ka doon sa mga taong request ng increase. Pataas ng minimum wage without even considering ano ba yung binibigay nyo sa kumpanya. Pero, well, may mga grupo kasi na, sumusuporta or kumukonsente doon sa ganong klaseng idea. Kaya, nagsa-thrive.
Bring value. And if you bring value, you will never have a hard time getting paid. You will not. How do I know this? Well, fucking Tiger Woods is really fucking good at putting a tiny little white ball in a tiny little hole. And he's really good at it. And we are so in love with the fact that he's really good at this, he's worth almost $1 billion fucking dollars.
Again, at the end of the day, it's your value that will count. Hindi yung pagod mo, hindi yung kung gaano kabigat yung hollow blocks na binubuhat mo, pero kung ano yung value mo na pine-present doon sa trabaho mo. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.